Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, at least 6 people suffered major injuries, one critical, after a truck ran off the road and over an embankment in Clarendon. At least 4 other people got minor injuries.
TVJ News understands the truck was on its way to a funeral when the tragedy happened.
It was an ominous journey for this truck carrying musical instrument to a funeral in Victoria, Clarendon around 11 o'clock Monday morning. First, it broke down on the road above, and then seconds later, this was its fate.
We did go quiet finally. I try to flick in that second. I did kind of reverse back first. By the time I put in that first now, the engine just kind of stuck off and the truck just started to run back.
And so it ran off the road, rolled down the slope and ended up here. 10 people were on the truck during the time of the incident. 6 of them suffered major injuries. TVJ News understands one of them is in a critical condition. Only one of the passengers narrowly escaped injuries.
I realized the engine lock off, so come get tip off my truck.
Councillor for the Thomastown Division, Colin Henry, attended the same funeral in Victoria where the truck was headed.
We want to purge motorists and drivers as well to be extremely careful on these roadways as they traverse these roads on a daily basis. This stretch of road is really, it's, as you can see, it's a hilly terrain and so forth, and it's very narrow. Of course, you have to apply these with caution as well, given the fact that a lot of heavy units will have traversed it. And if you don't really familiar with the area, it can cause problem for you.
And our prayers go out to the families of those affected. We continue to pray for them and hope that the situation remains the same. They are just in recovery mode and no life would have been lost.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.